everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 22nd to the 25th or 26th of August 2022 on Monday. So the lies to call when he is pulled out of the car by Stompy. There is a new stranger in town. Sibongile admits what she's got up to and hell breaks loose on Tuesday. So the demands Stompy find this new stranger Bakang. Teddy learns he'll need more than one job to repay Mabuyase. Bongani attempt to mediate peace between Zodwa and Sibongile on Wednesday. Sodo tries to strong-arm Mabuyase to take the car. Ngosinati brings a cop into the classroom. Teddy is worried he won't have money to pay Mabuyase on Thursday. Sondo gives Mazette the ultimatum regarding Nyaleng. Zaza flips the script to save her own skin. Teddy figures a plan to raise his employer's money on Friday. Bakang takes Mazette for an unexpected joyride. Skara goes all out to make an impression on Sibongile. Gugu says her goodbyes to her friends and family. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.